What's up, guys? I'm Jaden, and this is going to be the first video I put on this new channel, the Texas Redfish Assassin. And today what we're going to do is a DIY wade box and a how-to and just really whatever. I mean, you can use it as a tackle box or a wade box, but it's what I use as a wade box anyways. But the materials you're going to need is a Plano Guide Series waterproof 423 box and a 520 box. You're gonna need 4 nuts and screws, and you're gonna need 2 clips, a strap which you can get off of your regular tackle box, or you can really just order online or use a belt or whatever, really anything you can use to get over your shoulder. I don't know if I mentioned this, but you're going to need 4 rubber washers. You're going to want to have some weatherproof sealant. If you want to make the process a little faster, drill. And yeah, that's pretty much the materials you need. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your big box out of the 2. And go ahead and drill these little opener parts. You want to drill a big enough hole to put your clips in this area. And all you do is put your clips in like that. And if you just want to have a simple wade box that you know, just a regular one wade box, this is basically it for you at this point. Your shoulder, over your head, whatever you want to do. But that is not the route that I go, because I am an overhauler when I wade, unfortunately. But that is just how I am. So now the next thing you're going to want to do is to get your other stowaway box, open it up, and just for taking the time out of this video, or saving some time, I went ahead and already drilled, I don't know if you can see it, but so I've already done it for the sake of this video, but what you want to do is get the holes that you drilled, put it forward, and then you want to open your small stowaway and have it opening the opposite way, so that when you're holding your wade box, it opens for you, instead of you having to open it up, or you have to go over the other end of it to get into your box. But what you want to do is get this lined up all perfect, and hold it still in the middle and drill on all 4 corners of this box. Now what you're going to want to do is get your screw and put your rubber washer on it, and then put 4 of these on each of the holes. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is, this is the reason that we got 8 washers, rubber washers, instead of just 4. So on the other side, when you open it up after you already have your attached top box, you open up the bottom box, and on each of these screws you're going to put another rubber washer and then a nut on it, so that it makes it just a little more waterproof. Alright, now when you have your nuts on the top of the washers that's on the screw, you're going to go ahead and tighten them down as tight as you can get them. Now what you're going to want to do is, after getting the rubber washers and the nuts on all of the screws, you're going to want to put a fat amount of the sealant around the screws and on the inside and on the outside, just to 100% keep all the leaks and everything out of the tackle boxes. So now, once you get done putting the sealant on all of the places you have screwed on both sides, on this side and on this side, you're going to want to go ahead and close them up for 24 hours. Alright guys, after waiting 24 hours, you are good to go. Put on your clips and your strap, and you're ready to hit a wade. Now, pro tip: when you open the box after it's been sitting for 24 hours, don't put your nose or inhale or anything anywhere near the boxes, because that air that's been drying has been circulating with the sealant, and it makes a form of gas that will literally burn the nose hairs out of your nose. And ask me why I have no nose hairs. Anyways, what I want to tell y'all is, now we are at the end of this video. The first 100 subscribers that subscribe to this channel will be having a chance to win this weight box that I just made, on top of a electric chicken Fat Boy Corky, and my favorite lures, my favorite one of these lures too, the Purple Rain by Down South Lures. Alrighty, we're at the end of this video. Thank y'all so much for watching it. Hit like and subscribe and share it to your friends if you can. Remember, the first 100 people who subscribe will be having a chance to win this weight box and these lures. So go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.